Welcome back. You can build security into your VPC architecture in several ways so that you have complete control over both incoming and outgoing traffic. In this section, you will learn about two Amazon VPC firewall options that you can use to secure your VPC. The first, security groups. The second, network access control lists. A security group acts as a virtual firewall that controls inbound and outbound traffic to and from your instance. Security groups act at the instance level, particularly the network interface card. And you can assign each instance in your VPC to a different set of security groups. You can think of a security group as a way to filter traffic to and from your instances. Security groups are the equivalent of firewalls for your EC2 instances. They contain rules to allow inbound traffic. By default, security groups are sealed shut. You then proceed to define the type of traffic that will be allowed. Security groups are stateful. We only concern ourselves with defining the inbound traffic rules. The outbound traffic is always allowed. The second firewall option is a network access control list. Network access control lists work at the subnet level and control traffic in and out of the subnet. You can set up network ACLs with rules that allow or deny. You can also specify ports and protocols. Each subnet in your VPC must be associated with a network ACL. If you don't explicitly associate a subnet with a network ACL, the default network ACL is used. You can associate a network ACL with multiple subnets. However, a subnet can only be associated with one network ACL. That means that a network ACL and a subnet relationship is a one-to-one relationship. A network ACL is stateless. It has separate inbound and outbound rules that require configuration. The table shows the default network ACL. It is wide open in order for you to have focus on security groups as your firewall protection mechanism. You can define a custom network ACL, and this will require that you define rules in numerical order and define both the inbound as well as the outbound traffic to be allowed. Network ACLs are stateless, which means that no information about a request is maintained after a request is processed. Let's summarize the differences between security groups and network ACLs. Security groups act at the instance level, and network ACLs act at the subnet level. Security groups support allow rules only, and network ACLs support both allow and deny rules. Security groups are stateful, and network ACLs are stateless. For security groups, all rules are evaluated before a decision is made to allow traffic. For network ACLs, rules are evaluated in number order until a match is found and traffic is either allowed or denied. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.